Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to create an Excel spreadsheet containing a list of files from a certain folder from Egnyte. We can use this method to create an active or linked BIM file log. So let's go ahead and get started. When you open up an Excel file, open a new one so it's blank. Go into the Data tab, hit New Query, select From File. In this case, we're going to look for a folder from Egnyte, so select From Folder. A pop-up window will come up, hit Browse, look for the folder where you want to get your files from. In this case, I'm going to select 1716, Public, BIM, Current Model, Subcontractor Models. Once I select this, hit OK, and you can see the path of where the folder lives. When you're ready, hit OK. A new window will come up. This actually lets you transform the data or fix the columns before you push it onto Excel. Just to keep it simple, I'm going to go ahead and just load this as is. And now you can see that Excel created a table with live linked files from that folder on Egnyte. So all this information comes from the Egnyte folder structure. So any updates that happen on that folder will get picked up here on the Excel version, as long as you hit refresh all under the Data tab. So I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.